We have dust on the left, nugget on the right. Today is basically what dust should have done yesterday after the Fed decision. Dollars appreciating. That means people are moving out of gold, getting into the dollar or other things. And we saw gold drop today as well. I think last I checked, it was down about 2%. Some say that the interest rate hike was baked into the price of gold. I disagree because there was no clear indication it was going to happen. So that's why we see some negative divergence with gold and especially with nugget. Let's start with dust. We see that it finally closed above our blue line. This is the first signal that a bull trend is about to start. This is where, if you're a high risk trader, I would have some buy in right now, about 100, 600 shares, just so you can get a lock in on the low price. And then as it gets higher and higher, you can start buying more uh, and use dollar cost averaging to make some handsome profit. We did buy a medium position in dust today. We're hoping for tomorrow. We know it's going to come back down a little bit. We'll add to our position then. But with the Fed increase rate increase, we believe that tomorrow it could just go back up another 10-15%. Our next level of resistance past the blue line will be 19.90 to $20. This is key because this is also the 20-day average and also the left of the shoulder. At this price range, we will see not only dust cross the MACD at zero, but also touch the 100 line on the CCI buy signal. When these three things combine, it is ripe for a very nice uptrend. So keep an eye on that, and we'll be focusing on that tomorrow. On the right side, we have Nugget. Now, as you can see, Nugget has been bouncing around the $25 range. That has been its support for the last 4 months. There's only so much that you can bounce on support before you fall down. It had potential for an uptick here, at the beginning of December. I guess it was fueled by some probably some earnings news or something with job numbers, uh, but it was not sustainable. The Fed rate increase really hurt gold, down 2% today, and I think we'll see it probably for the next 2 3 days. A pretty good downtrend for Nugget. If you are a high risk trader, which I am not, you can long one and short the other, but that's up to you. I don't want to stomach too much risk. It doesn't make much sense to me. So we are in dust today. We're going to keep an eye on the resistance and support levels for dust. And until next time, thank you.